Hi! This is where we're gonna walk. It's called Wahkeena Falls. Let's go!
On this episode of A Day in the Mic, we go to Oregon. We look at lots of things. We see a ton of waterfalls. For some reason, I go flying through the air. Trees are spinning, and I get a treat. My name's Mike Gross. This is A Day in the Mic. Somehow we magically transported to Oregon, but that really just means I got an aisle seat.
All right, ready to hike. Gonna do a real quick checklist here. Wipes in case Christine has to go to the bathroom. Check. Napkins, rather. Fanny pack. Check. Head strap, just in case. Check. Extra batteries. Check. Sexy wife. Check. Mother-in-law.
MIA.
¿Dónde está su madre?
We lost her already.
Oh, well, we got a killer waterfall behind me, we're gonna say.
Oh, found her.
Hey, mother-in-law,
Ready.
check.
Ready.
And I totally forgot to mention this video is sponsored by the New Dawn Clothing Company. Let's go. It is just so green everywhere. Ugh. One of the best things about getting outside of California is the green. You get to have actual nature, actual waterfalls, beautiful trees. California is awesome, but this is beautiful. Making a very important decision right now. We could go this way, or
4.5 miles.
we could go this way.
Which we've done Angel's Rest before.
We're gonna go that way. Larch mountain.
Perfect. We'll see if we regret this. Do we make the right choice?
Yep, made the right choice. We're gonna keep going this way. We could.
The best part about today is Jmom told me that after this hike, I get a very special treat. I don't even know what it is, but it's gonna be so good and I can't wait to see. Don't worry, I'll show you guys. Feeling like Mogwai out here running through these woods. It's so cool. It's wet. White berries? What the heck is this, Oregon? What are we doing here? On days like today, it can be so hard to figure out something good to wear because, you know, it's kind of cold, but it's also kind of hot. You're going up and down the mountain. You don't really know what it's gonna be. So, thank God for my New Dawn 3/4 sleeve shirt. It's right in the middle, you know, and you don't need long sleeve, you don't need short sleeve, you just want awesome sleeve, and I got that today. So thanks, New Dawn. So Jmom, what's up with all these fallen trees?
Yeah, so we had an ice storm end of January, and it was so cold, like water came, rain froze around all the tree trunks and the tree limbs, and then it was so heavy they all started crashing down to the ground. Sounded, I don't know, like the scariest sound I've ever heard because things are falling, branches and trees, so they're all just bent over now. They broke off. A lot of work.
It's right there, right there. Hey Christine, what's our favorite kind of hike?
Hike.
Show me. The loop. A loop is what we're doing right now, and so we're happy.
I really like the under the steering wheel. You can't really see anything. Michael found his special treat.
You earned that, dog.
Well, we finished our loop at a different place than we started, so I got my treat, and we're still walking a little bit farther back to the car, but I just thought this was so cool. All right, Christine, perhaps you could tell us where exactly we just went. So that's it, folks. We're out of here. Got my treat, got my hike, feeling real good. Oh yeah, thanks again to the New Dawn Clothing Company. That was a jingle I just made. Thanks. See you next time.
Margaret said, understand English very well.